module, we learnt about understanding the nature of roots. In this module, we are going to learn two things. One, what do you mean by discriminant? And the second, sums based on nature of roots, right? So let us get into the first term, discriminant. Let us understand that. What is a discriminant? Discriminant is nothing but the value of b square minus 4ac. Because looking at the value of b square minus 4ac, we can find out what type of roots the equation will have. Hence, it is called as discriminant, right? So, based upon this discriminant's value, if you can find out what type of roots the equation is going to have. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, positive number, means the equation will have two distinct real roots. Two roots, real and distinct. Second, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the equation will have two equal real roots. In the last case, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means a negative number, the equation has no real roots. So looking at the value of this discriminant, you can find out what type of roots the equation is going to have. So let us take up few sums. Find the nature of roots for the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exists, then find them. So first check out whether the equation has real roots or not, and then find them if at all they exist. So 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 is a given quadratic equation. The first step, what do we have to find in this sum? The nature of the roots, right? And since we have to find the nature of the roots, means we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. And for finding the value of b square minus 4ac, we need the values of a, b and c. And for finding the values of a, b and c, the equation should be in the standard form. Is it in the standard form? 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0? Yes. Since it is in the standard form, let us compare with the standard form and note down the values of a, b and c. So on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a, the first number, which is 2. We get b, the second number with the sign, which is minus 3. And the c, third number with the sign, which is plus 5. And once we get the values of a, b and c, let us quickly find the value of the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac is equals to, b square means minus 3 square, minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 5. And minus 3, if you square it, you will get 9, and this is 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, right? So 9 minus 40 you get, which is equal to minus 31. And b square minus 4ac comes out to be negative. So what is your conclusion? Since b square minus 4ac less than 0, the roots of the quadratic equation are not real, right? So no need to solve it further. Only you have to solve it if the equation we have real roots. Second equation, let us take 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So first we'll copy the equation, and then is it in the standard form? Yes. And if it is in the standard form, we'll compare with the standard form and note down the values of a, b and c. So a is equals to the first number 2, b is equals to the second number minus 6, okay, and c is equal to the third number, which is a constant term, which is 3. And once we get the values of a, b and c, we find the value of the discriminant b square minus 4ac, which will tell us what is the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. So right, so b square minus 4ac is equals to, b square means minus 6 square, minus 4 into a is 2, into c is 3. So minus 6 square is 36, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are is 24. So 36 minus 24 comes out to be 12. And 12, what is this 12? Is it a positive number? Yes. So what we can say, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. And if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, question is find the nature of the roots. What is the nature of the roots? We can say the roots of the quadratic equation are real and distinct. Okay, and further part of the question is, if the roots are real, you have to find them also. You have to find them also means you have to solve it like a normal sum. So let us do it. So x is equal to, let us apply the quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole upon 2a. Now let us substitute the values of a, b and c as we know the values, right? So x is equals to minus b, formulas minus first, and then look at the value of b. What is the value of b? Minus 6. So minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac's value, we got it as 12. So root of 12 upon 2a, a is 2, so 2 into 2. So what we get is 6 plus or minus. Now root 12 can be simplified. We know 12 is 4 3s are 12. 4 comes out of the root as 2. So what we get is 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 upon 2 2s are is 4. Now, like the previous sums, what we'll do, we'll take something common from the numerator and cancel with the 4 of the denominator. From that 6 and 2 root 3, we can take out 2 common. And when 2 goes out common, what stays inside the bracket? From 6, 2 has gone out, so 3 stays, plus or minus root 3 upon 4. Now, this 2 and 4 can be cancelled. So what we get, 3 plus or minus root 3, the whole upon 2. One value of x will be with plus sign, 3 plus root 3 upon 2. Other value of x will be with minus sign. X is equal to 3 minus root 3 upon 2. Then we can write the final answer. The roots of the given quadratic equation are 3 plus root 3 upon 2 and 3 minus root 3 upon 2. That completes this question. Thank you.